guys, Manal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these Oreo cheesecake cookies. I found this recipe on TikTok and had to try it. So let's start off with the dough. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is 1 brick, 1 cup of unsalted butter, make sure it's at room temperature, and 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm going to pop this into my stand mixer using the paddle attachment. You can use a hand mixer for this if you don't have a stand mixer. It works totally fine. And you're going to beat it until it's combined and really smooth. So once it has this consistency, you can start adding in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a little at a time. Once everything is well combined and our batter is looking really nice and thick, start adding in our Oreo cookies. I used around 15 cookies for this recipe. Feel free to add more if you love more Oreos. So I use my knife to chop these cookies, but another trick is to pop it in a sandwich bag and use something heavy to crush it. So now we can pop in those crushed Oreos into the bowl that has our dough in it, and you can begin folding it in like I am here trying to get my cardio in, but if you want to make it easier for yourself, you can do this part in the stand mixer as well. So now I'm just covering the dough with cling wrap and I'm going to pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. You want to do this so that it's easier to handle the dough. So once it's nice and chilled, we can move on to the next step. I actually have a silicone baking mat, but if you have parchment paper, go ahead and line your baking sheet. I'm using an ice cream scooper to scoop these onto my baking mat, and then I'm pressing it down gently with a spoon so that it helps it bake. Now you're going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for only 10 minutes. And that is it. It's that easy, guys. And the best part about these cookies is you can either eat them cold or warm. And the nice thing is they stay super soft when they're cold, just as when they are at room temperature. So you have soft cookies no matter what. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I hope you give it a try. I'll catch you guys in my next video.